Neotensil is a first-of-its-kind, non-invasive at-home procedure that can dramatically reduce the appearance of under-eye bags. If it's applied correctly, only you will know it is there. Neotensil is unlike any other skin product or procedure, so it requires a specific tool and technique to see results. Step 1 lays the foundation of support. Then, Step 2 combines with Step 1 and activates to create the supportive, cross-linking invisible film that visibly reduces the appearance of the under-eye bag. Follow the instructions carefully and know that it may take some practice to learn to apply the product perfectly. You'll be applying Neotensil to the under-eye target area. The target area is the inner corner to the outer corner of the eye, extending down to the bottom line of your under-eye bag. There are a few things you should do before you apply Neotensil. If you wear contact lenses, put them in before applying the product. If you use moisturizer, sunscreen, or makeup, apply as you normally would, except avoid the target area. Other products can interfere with Neotensil. If you use them in the target area, you won't see results. Be extra careful to ensure the target area is clean. Always use the enclosed skin prep towelette right before you apply Neotensil to ensure the target area is clean of any product or residue. Then wait until the target area is dry. It is important to only use the Neotensil towelettes, as other brands may affect performance. It's also important that you use the reshaping tool included with Neotensil. It helps you get smooth, consistent layers, which will give you the best results. To use the tool, just place your index finger on the finger grip. Then wrap the curved handle in the palm of your hand like this. The steps for applying Neotensil involve creating two smooth, uniform layers by applying the reshaping base and activating layer with the reshaping tool. I will walk you through the application process step by step. You can follow along with your instructional book included in the kit. We recommend you read the instructions through fully before getting started. Unscrew the cap, hold the pen vertically, and click twice. This ensures you get the proper dosage. Apply the dose to the flat surface of your tool. Make sure you have a relaxed, neutral facial expression. That means no squinting or mascara face. Starting at the inner corner of your eye, apply the product in 4 dots just below the middle of your under-eye bag. Using firm pressure, use short downward strokes to smooth the product across the under-eye area until it is no longer visible. It is important to stay within the boundaries of the target area. Next, use light feathering strokes to taper the bottom edge of the under-eye area. This ensures that the product is fully blended. Repeat this step for your other eye. Once you've finished this step, make sure you put the cap back on the pen so the product doesn't dry out. Use the skin prep towelette to clean the tool before you apply Step 2. You'll want to give the tool a second to dry. Step 2 is exactly the same as Step 1, except you will apply much less pressure. You want this step to glide over the first layer, so make sure you don't rub it in. Again, when you're done, place the cap back on the pen so the product doesn't dry out. Keep your face relaxed to allow the 2 layers to activate and create the cross-linking invisible film. That means you'll want to avoid making facial expressions for about 2 minutes. If you wear glasses, wait 2 minutes to put them on. And if you feel a tightening sensation, don't worry. That means the product is working. Results will appear from within 10 minutes to an hour and continue to improve over the course of 3 to 4 hours. To get the best results, it's important not to apply any makeup, sunscreen, or other skincare product on top of Neotensil. If you want a little more coverage for dark circles, you can apply the Neotensil Under-Eye Coverage Powder after 5 minutes. This product is specifically formulated to work with Neotensil. Just make sure you use the enclosed brush. It's specifically designed to work with Neotensil. A little goes a long way with this powder, so start off with only a small amount. You can always add a little more if you need it. Using a light touch, apply the powder to the under eye area down to just beyond the border of Neotensil to blend it into your skin. This powder doesn't wear off like traditional makeup, so you shouldn't need to touch up during the day. If you do want to touch up your other makeup or apply more sunscreen, just make sure to avoid the Neotensil target area. Otherwise, you might affect the performance of Neotensil. Similar to eye makeup, be careful not to touch, scratch, or rub the under eye area or Neotensil. If left untouched, Neotensil lasts all day until you choose to remove it. It's even durable enough to last during exercise. If you experience watery eyes or crying, dab lightly with a tissue. Do not rub or wipe the under eye area or Neotensil. If you want to enjoy additional hydration benefits, you can leave Neotensil on overnight and remove it in the morning before reapplying.